ice to water, water to vapor, vapor to steam. A movement guided meditation, if you will. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, I notice the beauty all around me. Breathing out, I feel grateful. Breathing in, I'm aware of my perspective. Breathing out, I expand my perspective. Breathing in, I pay attention to the details in my life. Breathing out, I broaden my vision as well. Breathing in, I know when to slow down. Breathing out, I know when to move quickly. Breathing in, I know when to stop and get still. Breathing out, I know when to listen. Breathing in, I know that I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I know when I'm breathing out. In, out. Breathing in, I pay attention to impulses and guidance. Breathing out, I follow those impulses and guidance. Breathing in, I find the joy and the fun in life. Breathing out, I experience appreciation for joy and fun.